Hi, I'm Sinnakkrishnan. I'm working in Mahindra for the last 6 years. I have overall IT experience of about 10 years and research experience of about 2 years. And I'm a doctorate from IIM Calcutta. And basically, I have the computer science engineering qualification as well. And if we come about to the benchmark black belt Six Sigma course that we have had recently from Vishwadeep Khatri in Chennai over here. So it was conducted in a very nice way. It was very jovial, taking into a lot of complicated concepts, real life examples, and complemented with a lot of commentaries which were jovial. So it makes it really interesting and exciting to understand the concepts in a very critical and detailed level, and getting it into a jovial mode as well. So he has covered especially the design of experiments concepts in much level of detail, getting into a lot of details on factors, levels, repetitions, and so on. And he had covered with a lot of examples from various industries and various real life examples as well from practical experience. And since this is one of the complicated concepts, DOE is one of the complicated concepts, we can see how it correlates with other concepts, or how it relates with other concepts in Six Sigma as well. So as we can easily see, DOE is a concept that it is typically used by the Six Sigma black belts. Green belts don't that much use it. I've also done green belt from benchmark Six Sigma itself, and I found the black belt also to be as useful and exciting course as the green belt course that I have taken from benchmark Six Sigma. And basically a short note about my organization Tech Mahindra. I'm coming from the business process management division in Tech Mahindra. We have more than 400 people who are working on business processes related to the telecom industry, and we have another division, enterprise division, working on the business processes related to the enterprise division as well. And if we see in the business process management division, we have a lot of Six Sigma green belts and a lot of Six Sigma black belts, and some Six Sigma master black belts as well, who are working on various client projects and also some of the internal projects in improving the business processes. There are a lot of people who are doing on business process re-engineering. We have people who are working on business consulting, operational consulting, service design consulting, user acceptance testing. There are multiple areas that we are working on related to the business processes. We have expertise in ETOM, we have expertise in ITIL, we have many people who are certified in PMP, Prince 2, and so on. I am myself certified in PMP, Prince 2 Foundation, ITIL Foundation, Six Sigma Green Belt. I am currently doing this Six Sigma Black Belt project, and I hope that it will get cleared tomorrow as well in the Black Belt. And recently we did a project on design of experiments involving one cycle on the DMADV cycle, which is the define, measure, analyze, design, and validate. So DMADV cycle, we had done that through which we could try to simulate and do some kind of experiments on how we should improve the process. So that's for the DMADV. So designing a new process, we had done that. And DMAIC also, DMAIC, the DMAIC also we had done. So again, we used design of experiments. With that, we used agent navigation time. In both the cases, we had used agent navigation time. Agent navigation time is nothing but the time it takes for going through the various process steps, okay, in handling a call without actually involving the customer interaction. So the complete call handling with minus the customer interaction, or the customer interaction components, or the customer interaction time. So that is the agent navigation time, based on which we did DMAIC and DMADV, and that was used in the real life programs that we are running for one of the telecom clients. So that is a recent example. I hope this Six Sigma black belt and the green belt process that I have undergone through Benchmark Six Sigma are really useful in my career as well. Well ahead in the next few years, it will be useful in terms of the concepts, in terms of the methodologies and the techniques that have been taught, both soft techniques like for example the change management techniques, and also the quantitative techniques like as I said, design of experiments, or any of the quantitative technique like hypothesis testing and so on. And I will recommend anyone to undergo this course, green belt or black belt. It will really be a value for money in terms of how it can provide you with more knowledge, and in terms of progression in your career as well. So with this, I can close this note. Thanks.